Hello, you're welcome. How to solve this nice exponential equation? Solution from here. And what we have here, we take the log on both sides. That is, we have log 5 raised to power x equals to log 500 on this side. Then here, we apply the power law of logarithm. When we have log n raised to power p, is same thing as p log n. That is, here we have x log 5 equals to log 500 on this side. This next step here, divide both side by log 5. Divide this side by log 5. Also divide this side by log 5. As this here, log 5 cancel each other. And we have x equals to log 500 over log 5. The next step here, 500 can be expressed as 5 times 100, which implies we have x equals to log 5 times 100 over log 5. That is, from here, this follows the law of logarithm. When we have log a times b, which is the same thing as log a plus log b. That is, here we have x equals to log 5 plus log 100 over log 5. That is, separate this into two fractions. We have x equals to log 5 over log 5 plus log 100 over log 5. That is, here log 5 cancel each other, one left here, and we have x equals to 1 plus log 100 over log 5. Then next step here, also 100 can be expressed as 5 times 20, which implies we have x equals to 1 plus log 5 times 20 over log 5. Then this also follows the law of logarithm, and we have x equals to 1 plus log 5 plus log 20 over log 5. Then here we separate this into two fractions. We have x equals to 1 plus log 5 over log 5 plus log 20 over log 5. And here log 5 cancel each other. We have one left here, which implies x equals to 1 plus 1, that's 2, then plus log 20 over log 5. The next step here, also 20 can be expressed as 5 times 4, which implies we have x equals to 2 plus log 5 times 4 over log 5. That is, here we apply the law of logarithm as well. We have x equals to 2 plus log 5 plus log 4 over log 5. That is, we separate this into two fractions. We have x equals to 2 plus log 5 over log 5 plus log 4 over log 5. That is, from here also log 5 cancel each other. We have one left, and this becomes x equals to 2 plus 1 as 3, then plus log 4 over log 5. Then also here we can express 4 as 2 times 2 as 2 squared. And this becomes x equals to 3 plus log 2 squared over log 5. Then we apply the power law of logarithm. 2 comes there. We have x equals to 3 plus 2 log 2 over log 5. Then we apply change of base here, and we have log a over log b. The same thing as log a to base b. This here we have x equals to 3 plus 2 log 2 base 5. So here we have the value of x in this problem. Then let's check if this satisfies this given problem. This will substitute the value of x here, which is x equals to 3 plus 2 log 2 base 5. Then what we have becomes 5 raised to power 3 plus 2 log 2 base 5, and is equals to 500 on this side. Then here we apply the law of indices, and we have a raised to power n plus n. This same thing as a raised to power n times a raised to power n. Here we have 5 raised to power 3 times 5 raised to power 2 log 2 base 5. Is it equals to 500 on this side? Then 5 raised to power 3, that's 125. Then times here we reverse this 12 from power law. We have 5 raised to power log 2 square base 5. Is it equals to 500 on this side? For this, here we have 125 times 5 raised to power log 2 squared, that's 4, is 5. This is equals to 500 on this side. Like this follows on. We have a raised to power log b base a, which is equals to b. Here we have 125 times 4. Is this equals to 500 on this side? Then here 125 times 4. Here we have 5 times 4. That's 20. Keep 2. 4 times 2, 8 plus 2 10. Also keep 1. 4 times 1, 4 plus 1, 5. That's 500 here, and equals to 500 on this side. We have left hand side equals to the right hand side, and therefore we conclude that x equals to 3 plus 2 log 2 base 5 satisfy this given problem. And thank you for watching. Don't forget these steps. Subscribe for more videos and turn the notification bell on. Share this video, give it a thumbs up, and put your comments. See you in next class, and bye for now.